Introducing the Hyundai Ioniq 5 in 2025, a new era in the world of cars. Are you ready to witness the revolution? Subscribe to my channel to receive exclusive reviews. Ioniq 5 is a true symbol of innovation in the automotive industry. This car offers various configuration options, starting with a single-engine model with rear-wheel drive. This variant generates 168 horsepower and has an EPA estimated range of up to 220 miles, making it an ideal choice for those who value efficiency. In addition, an all-wheel drive twin-motor version with 320 GP is available and has a range of approximately 266 miles. With 350 kilowatts DC fast charging, Ioniq 5 becomes a true hero among electric vehicles. Prices for the 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 5 range from $43,175 to $54,875, depending on trim level and options. This trim includes a heated steering wheel, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear parking sensors, a power tailgate, and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. The Ioniq 5 offers an electric-only powertrain in several variants. The standard battery is paired with a single rear-mounted electric motor and generates 168 horsepower. With a high-capacity battery and rear-wheel drive, the Ioniq 5 has a combined EPA rating of 114 mpg. Adding all-wheel drive drops that figure to 101 mpg, infotainment system and connectivity. Hyundai says the Ioniq sub-brand is focused on connected living, and the Ioniq 5 is equipped with a host of innovative infotainment and communications features. A 12-inch touchscreen shares the instrument panel with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, but the former serves as the center of all entertainment. This includes voice recognition software, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Unfortunately, Apple and Android smartphone integration requires wires. Safety and driver assistance features. A suite of driver assistance technologies comes standard on every model, but Ioniq 5 can also be equipped with more advanced technologies, including adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Key security features: standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, and lane keep assist. Adaptive cruise control with the lane centering is available. Warranty and service. The limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. The powertrain warranty is 10 years/100,000 miles. The battery has a 10-year 100,000 mile warranty. Complimentary service covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. To sum it up, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5N represents a new wave in the automotive industry, combining advanced technology, high efficiency, and stylish design. Don't miss the opportunity to be part of this revolution. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all the exclusive reviews